My name is Aminata D and I'm originally from Senegal. I started having pain probably a year and a half or 2 years ago on my knee. I did some physical therapy then, and it did go okay for maybe 1 year, and I got the same symptom again. So and I went for another appointment with the orthopedics, and they told me that I have a meniscus tear and minor arthritis on my kneecap. And I did some injection, but the swollen came back after 2 weeks. So, and the doctor was telling me to have a knee replacement, but I'm too young for a knee replacement. Maybe in the future I would have a knee replacement. So I asked around, and they told me about Dr. Noy. He was the only one who explained to me what was my symptom, that I really understood, And he told me that I didn't need a knee replacement, which I wanted to hear. So he explained to me what he was gonna do, and also I saw a great review from him. I had a knee arthroscopy. I mean, I was very nervous about the surgery because this is my knee, and I I don't want to be walking on crutches or being on the wheelchair. That was my or getting old and being on the wheelchair. That's my nightmare. The personal assistant was very nice. She told me not to be nervous. It's not going to be a big cut, just a small 2 incision, which is true. You hardly see it on my knee because I was scared to have scar on my knee. But they made me feel very confident to go through it. The first few days was a little bit not like overbearing that but a little pain here and there, but they give you some painkillers. After 1 week, even before less than 1 week, I was walking by myself, not with the cane. So, and now it's been 2 weeks, I'm walking almost perfectly. I would say that, that I am very happy with the result, and also how I interact with Dr. Noy and the personnel. They were very helpful and also caring even after the surgery, calling to see how I was doing and all of those things, so which is really good. Definitely, I would recommend Dr. Noy to anyone who has knee problem or orthopedics problem, because he's the best, seriously.